Now let's see how to use a knowledge base inside the chatbot. In the chat interface, click on the plus icon next to the input box. From here, select Add Knowledge Base. You'll see a list of your previously created knowledge bases. Choose the one that we just created and click Add to Chat. Your knowledge base is now attached to the conversation. From here, you can start asking questions or giving prompts that reference these files. For example, enter a prompt like, using the attached product strategy knowledge base, analyze competitor positioning, identify key gaps, and suggest a differentiated GTM strategy for a new product. The model now reads and uses the content from their knowledge base to generate a more informed and contextual response. So instead of uploading files again and again, you can attach a knowledge base once and use it across your conversations.